Hi, Ziad. How are you?
Hi, Ryan. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Just 1 second. Sorry, I'm at a social event also that I had to go to, so I can't turn on my camera. And I have George also joining.
Sure.
So, Ziad, do you speak Arabic or not yet?
I speak Arabic and I speak English.
Okay, so you're Swedish originally, right?
Correct. I was born in Sweden.
Okay. And you're originally from Sweden, or because Ziad is an Arab name, but that's why I thought you were Lebanese at first.
Yeah, my family coming from Middle East. I was born in Sweden, so I can speak Arabic, but not very well. But
Where in the Middle East?
my mom from Lebanon, my dad from Syria.
Okay, all right, yeah. Because for me, when I saw Ziad, I was like, of course, it's either Lebanese, Syrian, Jordanian, like what in the Levant, you know.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, mix of both of them actually.
All right, perfect.
Your
Hold on.
friends coming on or what?
Yes. 1 second. Uh, just give me a second. Let me text her. Okay, so now we can start.
Hi, guys.
Hi,
Hi,
gentlemen. Can
George.
you hear me? Everyone can hear me?
Yes.
Georges, can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Awesome. Great. So as I can see right here, you showed interest on raising capital. You have a crypto firm based in the MENA market. You are managing 70 million in the management. We have already reviewed what you have already sent over to us. Seems what you are doing quite interesting. I think maybe the best way to start today's call with is just to give me a better background on you, on what you have already built so far, what have you already developed in the house, and what are you looking to do with the next few months. And before the end of the call, if there is any potential collaboration, so I will make sure to share the few next steps.
Okay. Look, I mean, the company has been established since 3 years. And within, I would say, the last 2.5 years, they were on the product building stage, building the technology, the relationships with the global institutional custodian BitGo, setting up the US core license, the Swiss license, and doing the market research. It's important to know that Mackenzie Venture Arm Switzerland, which is Mackenzie, the big consulting company, had a big role in building the business with the founder, and they sit on the cap table as a co-founder with Sweat Equity. Since the funds launched live, the AUM has scaled to a bit under 70 million, I think in the 60 something million now. I mean, for us, where we see this going is obviously becoming a one-stop shop for anything related to digital asset management for sophisticated institutional qualified investors and also businesses. So, I mean, on terms of scaling the business, now we're working with consumers directly, sovereign, family offices, high net worth individuals, DAO, treasuries, crypto companies. But eventually, the goal is to partner with all the businesses around the space and in digital banking as well, and give them this piece of the life cycle, which is what we do really well, which is the alpha generating products over the digital asset space. So market neutral funds, Bitcoin alpha, Ethereum alpha funds, obviously done in a really good way where you can scale them without anything blowing up, with a proper risk team, Yeah, and that's kind of the vision of the business and of the founder. Yeah, and I guess does that answer your question? If you have anything you want to know more, I can, just ask me specifically and I can answer.
Sure, I will. Thanks for sharing that. And from what you have already seen in the last 3 months, do you have any numbers on the performance and drawdown reports that you had with that strategy that you are using today?
Sorry, I didn't get your question on the
Performance. I mean, you have today 60 million that's in the management, as you have already mentioned, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. And the asset management that you currently have today, are you doing any trading with that, or what do you have for strategy today that you will generate performance to the investors on it?
Oh, I see what you mean. So look, the thing is, with us, what we do really well is on generating yield on the asset. So, like a normal player that just wants to do custody or just buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever, they don't really have to come to us. Like, you can go buy anywhere now. It's easy and it's cheap. We usually, when you come to us because you want us to put your assets at work, which is, I think, what you were referring to.
Exactly.
Yeah, I know.
Exactly. That's exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah, exactly.
what was the returns that you have already generated for the last 3 months? Do you have
So
any?
we can send you we can send you all the fact sheets and like a Q1 report for all the returns. The thing is, we have different funds, and every fund has a different mandate, so the returns are different. We have Bitcoin denominated funds. We have market neutral stablecoin funds that don't take any direction, but all funds are on target. Like, the funds are returning on target, and also during the last 2 months, we compare always to the indexes. So, like, for example, you have the Galaxy Market Neutral Fund index, which was in drawdown, the -8% because of the tariffs and everything that happened. We stayed positive. So we also show that on risk management side, we're not having any drawdowns, which is very important for us because we are low vol funds. So the goal is to bring someone and tell him, listen, you can come deploy and not have to worry about huge volatility around the price, which is our added value. But we can share with you. This is public. Like, we share our results. So after the call, we'll send you something.
Yeah, I would love to. I would love to review that. I would love to take a look on the trading history for the last 3 months minimum, the drawdowns that you have already generated with performance, return, etc. That would be absolutely helpful to take a look on after the call. And as I can see right here, you are rising capital. The capital target that you are looking to rise is 50 milli. Is that the case here?
No, actually, we're looking to raise 20. I mean, the round is 20. I think we have 8 that's committed. So we're looking, I think we're looking to raise about 12. But to be honest, we're the distribution team, Ryan and I'm the GM for the Middle East, and Ryan is our senior relationship manager. We have a corporate finance team which handles the fundraise and all the business projections. So, we will refer you to them, and they'll give you all the information you need. But we just wanted to have a first call between us just to understand, what you do, how you do it, and then we can put you in touch with Michael, who's our head of corporate finance. He is running the fundraising side.
Got it. So you are looking to raise less than 50 million, correct?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We are not interested to have any collaboration for something that is less than 50 million right now. We are not taking on any collaboration for less than that. But I will make sure to have you in the pipeline for the next quarter. We will get back to you.
50, you're saying 50 million?
Exactly. So any collaborations that has less than 50 million as a capital target, we are not taking on the board right now.
We have raised 40 million, and this is a 20 million. You mean 50 from you guys? You want to deploy 50?
I mean, if you want to raise 15 million as a capital target and beyond that, so we would be interested to have chat on, to have a potential collaboration on, but everything that is less than 20 million, we are not taking any collaboration on right now. You understand?
I understand.
Yeah, because right now we're working with hedge fund managers that has already been established in the market. So now we are talking with hedge fund managers that are managing over 500 million and looking to scale up to 1 billion and beyond that. So the current stage, if you are looking to raise 20 million up to 40 million, we can take that on the board. Everything that beyond 50 million, we would be interested to have shot on.
But just a question, you're talking AUM or you're talking fund into the business?
I mean, if you want, if today you are in the AUM, you have 70 million. That's what I can see right here, correct?
Yeah.
Capital target, it means what are you looking to raise? If you want to raise something that is beyond 50 million, we would be interested.
You mean AUM to deploy, or you mean on the business as equity? Just so I understand.
We're talking on the EM, in the asset under management. We don't talk about the equity.
Oh, okay. No, asset under management, of course. I mean, no, we are definitely interested. I mean, our target is to raise just from the UAE 120 million and 300 million from Switzerland. We just got 2 relationship managers with 1.5 billion in assets under custody. We just hired the global head of distribution of Amino. Sorry, I thought you were there was a miscommunication. I thought you were talking equity on the business, because we're raising a Series A to equity on the business. For capital deployment, we are definitely looking to raise not 50 million. We're looking to raise 200, 300 million by end of the year.
Okay. Because 20 million you have already mentioned to me, so
no, this is equity. This is equity of the business. This is partner in the business. You understand the difference, right?
Yeah, I understand. I totally understand.
So
but
equity,
it was
we have a founder,
right?
we have Mackenzie. Now we're looking for a Series A. We're talking to tier 1 banks. We're talking to tier 1 custodians. We're talking to institutions that are coming to sit on the cap table. So when we set up this call, I think there was a misunderstanding. I thought that you were helping on the equity side. Then if it's on the AUM, for sure, we are looking to raise 200-300 million by end of 2025. And we're doing all the licenses globally to support that.
Okay. Yeah, for the equity, we are not interested.